Ever wondered how many times you yawn in a day? On average, humans yawn about 8 times daily. Over an average lifespan of 80 years, that's a staggering 232,000 yawns. And guess what? There's no difference between men and women in this regard. We all partake in this universal, contagious activity. But what about the person who can't stop yawning? This rare condition is called excessive yawning. People with this condition may yawn up to 30 times per hour. That's a whole lot of yawning. So the next time you catch a yawn, just remember, it's one of your 8 for the day, and you're not alone. Join us next time for more fascinating facts.